I've done a lot of machine learning courses in my undergrad university and in my master's university and in a bunch of online courses too. A few people try to go very into the math, which is not relevant for the industry, or few people try to go in a very code oriented, which is not relevant for the math.
So usually if you see in Python programming, you have libraries. So you just have one small line to write in your program and the algorithm is implemented, right?
All these online tutorials just used a couple of libraries. So basically a library for pre-processing and the standard, I don't know whether I can name them, but sklearn. When a concept is so interesting and you want to go in depth and learn, like I was looking for an exact platform to do it. And Lema came with a course where we learn from the mathematics behind sklearn. So every single algorithm in machine learning and how we optimize them, how we tune them.
We teach you why the algorithm was developed and how that algorithm actually works.
It's not overdone, it's not underdone. It's to the point where a person can understand and relate it in the real life. At this good quality, it's hard to get the same course somewhere outside.
Lema Labs as such was started by students and professors of IIT Madras. For the past 10 years, we've been teaching technology.
For students, definitely it's a very helpful platform because it helps you set up your career. And for working professionals, I would say it would be a very nice upgrade to their skill set.
I'm currently an entrepreneur in the green energy space. I feel very happy and impressed that my coding skills have really been oiled well enough that I can pretty much do ML coding myself today.
In the course, there's a lot of participants come in who have zero clue on programming. The end of the course, they come and tell me, I am confident on working as a developer, or I am confident that I can solve my own problems in machine learning. These are small things that gives me that pleasure that, okay, we are coming here to make a difference, to teach people and create a small dent, and that is our passion.